Assalamu alaikum guys. I hope everyone is fine. Today we are going to see how we can upgrade our Windows 10 to Windows 11. But the first thing is, as you people know, there are many ISO leaked Windows files are uploaded on internet. You can download and install it, but I am not recommending you to download unofficial Windows on your PC. Here is the best way, the correct way to install Windows 10 to upgrade your Windows 10 to Windows 11. You just need to go on search bar and search for update. Here you can see the option check for updates. You just need to click on it. Here the Windows open. Another thing is you people know that on 24th of June, Microsoft had an virtual event for Windows 11 release, but they didn't release it yet officially, but they will soon in a week, I think. But whenever they will release it, and if your system is compatible to Windows 11, then you will avail your update here. You just need to click on check for updates, and here you will have Windows 11. I've checked it, but there is no update yet. And another thing is how you can check your system compatibility. You just need to go on your browser, Chrome. You just need to type here Windows 11. Here you can see the first link. You just need to open it. Here you can see Windows 11 website, and you just need to go at the last. Here you can see check for compatibility option. You just need to download an app to check whether your system is compatible or not. They also mentioned system requirements here. You can check it manually. If your system fulfill these requirements, then no worries, you will get your update soon. I'm not recommending you again. I'm not recommending you to download unofficial Windows 11 ISO file and install it on your PC. Be patient and wait for the Windows 11 officially released by Microsoft. If you like the video, then share it, like it, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.